Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share an amazing serum recipe that will make your skin glow instantly. I just love this serum because it is made with all natural ingredients that is super healing and super hydrating. This serum is a night serum. Once you apply the serum on your face, it dries on your skin very fast. Regular use will make your skin smooth, soft, supple and glowy. The first ingredient you need for this serum is a tablespoon of flax seeds. I know it might surprise many of you that I'm using flaxseed in a serum. But flaxseed gel, just like aloe vera gel, is amazing for skincare. It's very hydrating and super nourishing, and you can also make the gel in a matter of minutes. The second ingredient we need is a teaspoon of beetroot juice. Fresh beetroot juice is full of minerals and vitamins that gives the skin a natural glow. Also, it gives a beautiful pink color to the serum. Always try to use fresh beetroot for making the juice. The last ingredient we need is one vitamin E capsule. Vitamin E improves the shelf life of the serum. It also fades scars and blemishes and keeps the skin soft and supple. To make the serum, peel half a beetroot, cut into pieces and take it in a mixer. Now grind the beetroot in a mixer without adding any water and extract the juice by pressing the ground mixture through a strainer. To make the flaxseed gel, take a tablespoon of flax seeds along with a cup of water in a bowl. Boil for 5 to 8 minutes, stirring often to prevent the flaxseed sticking to the bottom of the pan. Once the mixture thickens and gels, switch off. Let cool the mixture and pour it over a thin muslin cloth. Now bring the ends of the cloth together and squeeze with your hands nicely to extract the gel completely. Now to the extracted flaxseed gel, add in the contents of one vitamin E capsule. Finally, add a teaspoon of the extracted beetroot juice too. Mix well with a whisk to get a smooth serum. If you like, you can add few drops of your favorite essential oil to make the serum smell nice. Once mixed well, store it in a bottle and keep it in the refrigerator. Just look how beautiful this serum looks. This serum will last well in the fridge for about a week. To use, take a little bit of the serum and massage it well into the face and neck every day night before going to bed. You can see how fast the serum is absorbed into my skin. With regular use, you'll find your skin blemish free with an even skin tone and also with an amazing glow. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information on herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.